Declan, they should be inside. Hey, Declan.
I was just about to take a few pictures.
Of what?
Just for my video that I'm gonna post soon.
Rosh! 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 Where'd he go? Rosh. Rosh. Oh my god. That dinosaur scared me, bro.
I know it was a velociraptor.
Yeah.
Oh, I got this mask.
But you want to go check that forest again?
What up? Everybody, tell me, like the video if this is kind of scary.
And comment the percentage of scariness, 1 through 10.
Yeah.
Yo, Declan! Oh, wait.
Oh my god! What? I just saw something. So, I was going to take my picture and then I thought I saw something. I thought it was a cricket until I saw a little deeper. It looked like something was looking at me in the bushes. Oh, but I'm exhausted, man.
Yo, we're gonna go back into the forest if you want to come. Yo, why did I just hear something like...
Well, I'm not really like, I don't really like, I don't know how to explain this, but like, usually I'm not really like, I'm not like
scared
thinking
of
about
them?
the weird birds right now. I'm just thinking of like how surprised I am because when it does this sound so far.
Yeah.
It is just so big. Oh yeah, by the way, whenever a new member, Nicholas.
Yeah.
Because last time, when like Carson Declan started doing YouTube, it was just you guys, and then until
Rush
on
joined.
on episode 3, which is when I came in, and we were pretending like, who are you? And guess what? I was actually the friend for 2 months before that video. So we were pretending like he's like a stranger, that I was like a stranger.
Okay, well.
And then Nicholas comes in.
Yeah, so. Oh, don't forget about Henry, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Your brother.
He's only in one short. Daily Dose of Memes Part 1, which was a year ago. Like listen. Henry was like 10 or 11 back then. But he's 12. And back then when he was 11, he liked us a lot from our videos. But now he thinks we're cringe.
Yeah, like we are not cringe.
Yeah, we are definitely not cringe. He said that Declan's more cringe too. And I'm like, bro,
I'm looking down these spots to see if there's any footprints or anything.
that bush is blue.
Weird. Here, have the camera.
Okay.
Don't pause it or anything.
I'm out. Hi guys. What? What do you mean? Right there, you see it's moving? Oh, hold on. You stay here. I'm gonna go over here and see. If there's any stuff. That's where we came through. I don't know what he's doing. He's just bending down. We're going through the second trail, which is here. Usually go up there, but there's a second trail, and this trail has more bushes, which means I gotta carefully watch over them. But why that actually sounded like a true Dante voice? I mean, like sound. I'm gonna try to make that again. Dang, I can't make it again. There's another trail here, another trail, but the trail stops right. What? I just heard something like a tree or something.
What are you talking about?
And then I heard like,
What the freak?
then I heard something hit it.
Hold on, let me see. Guys, we're going on the main trail. What is that? Oh, it's just a butterfly. Is this the branch?
Look what I just found.
Don't want that no more. Just kidding, guys. I was moving the bush. Yeah. But we actually need to be serious. Man, I wish there was a trail that we could go down here, but more into the fall, all the leaves will die, and then we'll have space to go in here.
Not a trail.
When it was snowing back then, we used to go down a slip and try to create a hill or something. I don't know what I'm saying. Man, I miss those old days when Henry used to like us, but now he thinks we're cringe. There is a trail. Oh yes, we could finally go down and see perfectly. Be careful. Oh. Oh, be careful. I forgot what these things are called. What are they called? Thorns. Oh, ow. One got me. There we go. I think it hurt. Bro, you should have got those tweezers. If you then you could cut the bushes. You could cut. Can you go get that like tool thing where you could cut these like things?
Yo.
Okay, but first, can you get like whatever that tool was that you used to have?
I use scissors.
Scissors. Can you use scissors to like get these down?
1 second.
Oh my gosh, there's so much pollen on these. So much pollen on here. Okay, let's not worry about that now, but can you just go cut these thorns with like scissors or something? I'm not gonna lie, but these thorns kind of look like the princess thorns from Grove Garden. Not gonna lie. Kind of look like them. Actually, I could just step on the thorns. Why did I not think of that? I gotta duck over this one. Ow! I gotta duck over this one. Ooh. Okay. Ah! So much thorns got stuck in my pants. Bro, this is the deep.
Why is there like a metal stuff?
Why is there metal? Bro, we could get a better view from right there. Yeah. I just saw something white move in the bushes. Just kidding. I mean, no, that was just a butterfly. That's what I meant to say. I meant to say, just kidding. I meant to say it was just a butterfly. Bro, should you dare me to go in these bushes?
No, don't.
Oh, there's grasshoppers. There's grasshoppers.
Yo.
What? Leaf.
Stay.
Bro, didn't I hear that? Something?
Stay.
It kind of sounded like you a little bit, but
It's not me. It's not you. I didn't see your mouth open.
it could be from right behind us, since it kind of sounds like it's coming from me, but it's not. Hold on, you have the phone? I'll go see if there's anything new up there on the phone. You stay here.
Yeah. I'll pause it whenever. I'll unpause it when. I'll see you guys whenever I hear something. So see ya. Yeah. I'll be right there. We'll be right back. Hey guys. Okay. What do you see?
Footprints.
Yo, what?
Look,
Oh, that's
1,
crazy.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somewhere right here. Then it just goes somewhere.
That's actually crazy.
Oh yeah, Carson was bleeding a little bit because
Yeah, I was
stuck in
getting up here and I got stuck
stuck in
in
a-
the water and stuff.
yeah.
Yeah.
We just ended.
Yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. See ya.
Oh yeah,
Peace.
oh yeah. Also, to prove it, that one of our pictures on Safari, just go on Safari and just type in River Park 3. Then he'll probably
Yeah.
Peace.
Peace.
Because that video got 1,000 views. Not 1,000 views. Anyways, bye.
Yeah. Peace out.